could you just tell me a little bit about the integrity eVTOL? I think you've got it in shot there. And
Exactly. Here we are talking about an eVTOL for 5 passengers plus a pilot, 130 kilometer range, and it's an eVTOL that has our fly-free technology that ensures full comfort, full stability in adverse weather conditions, and this is our model that we are going to take to the market in the coming years.
so what's different about this eVTOL compared to the other ones that are being developed at the moment?
Yeah, we're having here the fly-free technology. It's a technology that let us uncouple the movements of the power plant from the movements of the cabin. And we have here a passive joint in the middle of the first set of propellers. And we can move the whole power plant just by differential thrust in each of the propellers. So this is a really different concept architecture from the tilting rotors, from the multicopters that we see also in the market.
Okay, kind of simpler and less, easier to maintain and develop.
Exactly, it's easier to certify, easier to maintain, and the most important thing is that it let us provide our customers with a very comfortable trip, as well as being able to have a lot of stability in adverse weather conditions.
Okay, so how far are you with development at the moment? What milestones have you done? What have you got coming up, please?
Yeah, we have been flying a full-scale prototype that we started flying outdoor in 2022 of the concept Integrity, that was the aircraft that was previous to this one, okay? And then in 2022, we started with the design of Integrity, and we have been now testing this concept in the wind channel campaign. We have just manufactured and started a flight campaign of our 1 to 6 scale model, and we are going to have the next steps, in the coming years with our remotely piloted full-scale model, 2026, and then we will get into the certification process with entry into service in 2030.
Oh wow, 2030, okay, great. Could you tell me about IntelliDrive and the ground side and how the eVTOL integrates with that, please?
Yeah, what we have on our ground section is basically we have a software layer that we put on top of existing vehicles, okay? And it lets us drive our ground vehicles, okay, from a remote control center. So this is also important, and it creates synergies with the air side, because in the future we're talking a lot about the possibility of moving this kind of aircraft into the unmanned concept. And of course, this is going to be a real possibility for us since we already have this technology on the ground side.
Okay, great. And how would this affect ATC, air traffic controllers? Are you working with those partners and stakeholders at all?
Yeah, we're getting our aircraft ready for both ATM and UTM, both concepts, because we know that at the beginning we are talking about starting operating this aircraft on ATM side and then moving on onto the UTM side. So we are preparing this aircraft together with all the stakeholders for both kinds of environments.